So first of all, this is my Huawei Honor 7X. It's an 8-year-old phone, but today we're going to turn it into an ultimate gaming beast. No root, no custom ROM, and using only the phone itself. That means you don't need a PC to follow this tutorial. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is a factory reset. Now, if you have important data and you're not willing to back it up, you can skip this step. Alright, now that the phone is reset, you can already feel that it's a bit faster. But don't leave yet, we're just getting started. Next, we're going to install a launcher. The launcher I recommend is Lawnchair. It's lightweight, smooth, and highly customizable, which is perfect for older phones. So go to the Play Store, search for Lawnchair Legacy, and install it. Once Lawnchair is installed, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps. Now tap on Launcher, you'll see Huawei Home and Lawnchair, select Lawnchair. Go back to the home screen, and boom, your entire UI is changed. You'll also notice that more RAM is available than before. Make sure to allow all the permissions Lawnchair asks for so it can work properly. Now we're going to remove apps we don't use. Go to Settings, Apps, select any app you don't need, and uninstall it. If uninstall isn't available, just disable it. Disabling unused apps can greatly improve performance, especially on older devices. And there you go. Your Honor 7X or any Android phone is now much more optimized and smoother than before. If you want an extended version where we push this phone even further and truly test its limits, make sure to comment down below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.